bout. It's pretty much unanimous all the way thus far. We haven't yet witnessed anything like the kind of close contests we saw in the semi-finals. Decision time soon.
Result of the bout number 73. The winner on point by unanimous decision. In the blue corner, representing Australia, Emma Greentree.
Emma Greentree is a champion. And she has produced a fantastic performance. Controlled aggression all the way through against her Italian opponent. No doubt a lot of confidence from that semi-final victory. Four to her opponent today, Nupur Sheoran.
Nupur.
Gold medalist from the World Boxing Cup in Kazakhstan this year. Silver medalist at the World Championships in Liverpool. Legendary family that she comes from. Grandfather, Captain Hawa Singh. Asian champion in 1966 and 1970. Father Sanjay Kumar was also a former national champion. And of course is now one of the most reputed coaches in Indian boxing. So yet another India-Uzbekistan clash, the third of the day already. The first two have gone in favor of India, the home side. Oltinoy Sotimboeva had to get past Asel Toktasin of Kazakhstan in her semi-finals, while Nupur had to deal with Maria Lovchinska of Ukraine and did that quite effectively. Two boxers who have immense height and build as a strength, probably a little shaded by Nupur, and that could prove to be a major advantage for her, especially in these heavier weight categories. But familiar foes, they met just earlier this year in Liverpool, and that's where Nupur was victorious by a 4-1 verdict against her Uzbek opponent in the quarterfinals. So yet another India-Uzbekistan in the finals of the World Boxing Cup finals. Frenetic from both. Oltinoy trying to occupy the center. Two heavy hitters out in the middle. Could be a little scrappy from time to time, and that's in evidence inside the first 40 seconds or so. Not too many clean punches landed either side thus far. So far it's been a bit one-sided, almost all the contests. Will we see the first one, which turns out to be a thriller in terms of the scoring? We will shortly be moving along to the men's matches, but this is the final gold medal bout in the afternoon session featuring the women. The heaviest of the lot started with the lightest, with Meenakshi Hooda winning the first gold medal for India, then Preeti Pawar triumphing in the 54 kg, Arundhati Chaudhary winning 70 kgs, the 75 kg gold going to Emma Greentree, and now it's Uzbekistan's Oltinoy Sotimboeva and India's Nupur Sheoran for gold in the female 80+ kg category. No great rhythm into this bout, indicative of the closeness between the two boxers, the familiarity with each other's style. Probably will be shaded by Nupur for the simple reason that she seemed to land a few more clean blows during the bout. Oltinoy Sotimboeva trying her best to be positive, especially early on. But then Nupur Sheoran with a good defense and also some great counter punches now holds a 4-1 lead in this title bout for the women's 80+ kg. Always a thrill to catch yourself on camera. And at that age, it always helps if you've told your parents where you're going. Final day of action at the World Boxing Cup Finals. 5th day. Some exquisite boxing across the last 4 days here at the Shaheed Vijay Singh Pathak Sport Complex. Oltinoy knows that one of the strengths of Nupur is her ring craft, her ability to mix up pace of the bout. And that's why she's showing a sense of urgency. She wants to just scramble her opponent's brains a little, try and create some doubt for Nupur, create some openings for herself to get some punches away. Bit of a punching frenzy initiated by Oltinoy, but Nupur able to just get her onto the back foot after that with some counter punching of her own. Street smart from Nupur. She's allowing Oltinoy to occupy the center, giving her the semblance of charge in this round, but just staying well outside her punching range. Looking to hit her on the counter whenever possible. A little bit of anxious faces writ large in the Indian camp, for the simple reason that nobody's taking this opponent lightly. Oltinoy Sotimboeva has a good body of work in terms of boxing skills. But at the moment, Nupur Sheoran looks in control of this bout. Oltinoy Sotimboeva was a lot more positive though. Got some good punches in, some good sequences. And what that's meant is that there's been a significant amount of movement on the scorecard. It is still Nupur who's leading, but that second round has been scored in favor of Oltinoy Sotimboeva, but by a 3-2 margin. Mexican, the world boxing judge and the Mongolian judge, all of them favoring it in favor of Oltinoy Sotimboeva. So Nupur now has a slender cushion. It's only 2-1 in her favor. All to play for still. There's no time to think about regrets, but Nupur will have to be a bit more positive in this round, and that's what she's looking to do. Straight off the blocks. Uzbekistan in 9 of the 20 finals today. India in 15 of those 20 finals. So India with a 2-zip lead already in terms of results against Uzbekistan today. Which is why, from a contingent perspective as well, this is an important battle for Oltinoy Sotimboeva. If she can pull one back for the Uzbekistan camp, it will give them a better chance of finishing at par or even better than the Indian contingent in terms of gold medals won at these World Boxing Cup finals. That urgency, that requirement to be positive, visible in the way that Nupur has begun this third round. But Oltinoy is also fighting back in her own sense. This should be a close one. Position I'll envy most right now is that of the judges, because they have the best ringside view of the action that's going on. Into the last minute. Is Nupur doing enough to stave off Oltinoy? She's throwing some punches, but is she connecting with enough of those? She does connect with the left this time. Oltinoy tries to reach out, and fire back, but cannot quite make contact substantially. This is fabulous though. This is just what we wanted. Much more of a contest this. The women's 80+kg coming down to the last few blows. It could be anyone's bout to win here. Who has got this one? It's Oltinoy Sotimboeva who's claiming it. But has she done enough? A close bout, no doubt, and encapsulated by the third round. Some great blows exchanged. It will be a split verdict, but it's difficult to determine who for. Certainly, some strong punches thrown by both boxers, the one in blue from India and in red from Uzbekistan as well. It's a tight one. Oltinoy thinks she has avenged her World Championship defeat. Let's find out.
Result of the bout number 74. The winner on point by split decision in the blue corner, representing India.
It's Nupur yet again. It's a close one. It's left her opponent in absolute tears. Distress for Oltinoy Sotimboeva. But it's Nupur who's prancing and dancing because she has clinched yet another gold for India at these boxing World Cup finals. But it was the closest of the finals thus far today. It's a third silver for Uzbekistan and a third time that an Indian ends up winning this. Interestingly, it was scored 3-2 in favor of Oltinoy this third round, but not the judges who mattered, which is why eventually it has gone in favor of Nupur Sheoran just by the one judge. So the closest of the bouts finishes off the women's bouts in the afternoon session with India's Nupur Sheoran emerging winner in the 80+kg category.